After a memorable second Lord's Test win, India leading in this 5-match Test series against England by 1-0. They would face England again in the third Test match at Headingley starting from 25th. Now, do India have any threats against England for the third Test? Of course they do have. Now let's discuss about the India threats that India need to keep in their mind before going into the third test. So let's discuss about the threat the India need to keep in their mind and work accordingly, and might have an impeccable and undefeatable lead of 2-0 at Headingley itself. Now let's jump onto a topic just now, and without wasting any more second, and please to stay tuned to the last second of this very video. And the first point that I'm going to talk about is the DRS. We have been discussing about the Indian team and the DRS for a long time now. Now India, yes, I know, had a good time out there, especially in the second innings of the second test with the decision reviewing system, but I really don't know till how far this team will continue with this good form with their DRS. I really don't know how much Rishabh Pant is going to help Virat Kohli. We have already dedicated a full video on this topic. If you really want to see it, please do watch that video again. Now, the second threat for India, according to me, is becoming overconfident, or you can also say flowing through emotions. We have seen examples that India, after these kind of memorable wins, aren't able to come out from that kind of a glory, that kind of a brightness, very, very quickly. Now, I really feel that I really hope that it doesn't happen this time. We have seen examples of it after that, Gaba Test win, a memorable series victory against Australia. India lost their first test against England at their home in Chennai. All of you must remember that. Now that was an example, a very recent example of it, where that series was a very important series for India, but India lost that first test match and gave away England a lead of 1-0 in that test series. I really hope that it doesn't happen this time. I really hope the team is well organized. They aren't overconfident. They'll have to keep in mind that always those magical innings aren't going to come like from Mohammad Shami and Jasprit Bumrah. Now if you ask me, most of you also would answer the same as per I am saying. Till the end of day 4 we almost knew, almost most of us had predicted that England is going to win the test match, until unless Pant just comes and wraps off all the English bowlers all over the park. Now after Rishabh Pant got out, most of us almost had switched off our televisions or mobile screens, whatever you'd say, thinking that India won't able to win this test match. Now again, there was a magic altogether with that in that partnership of Jasprit Bumrah and Mohammad Shami. India declared their second test match and denied England of all the 20 wickets. Now those kind of performance doesn't happen always, as that 36 all out doesn't happen always. These kind of magical performance also doesn't happen always. England were on top of India, to be very, very frank, until the end of day 4, even some part of day 5 as well, when Rishabh Pant got out. Now kind of unmindful tactics from Joe Root led to this from the England perspectives. But again, I would say these magical performances aren't going to come always. So India need to be on their toes till the last delivery being bowled of the 5th day. Now hopefully India doesn't get too overconfident is what I feel. Now let's jump onto a third topic. Now before discussing about the third threat that India has, the thing that I want to tell you, most of the times we generally don't use one single player of the opponent team as a threat for any of the teams they're playing around, but this time it is going to happen. It is going to be Joe Root, a particular player which is going to be a threat for the Indian team. That happens excuse me, that happens rarely, but this is going to happen this time. Joe Root has been the man, has been the pivot of this batting lineup, of this English batting lineup. Once he fails, there's no one, but if he continues scoring runs, there's a lot of many are there, like Johnny Bairstow, Rory Burns, Josh Butler. Hopefully Moeen Ali would also be able to score some runs. Sam Curran is due as well. Now I really don't know that what India is planning, but it's good news. I am going, before the start of the third test, I am going to make a video, to release a video on this platform YouTube as itself again, on a game plan against Mr. Joe Root for the Indian bowlers. Hopefully you would just see that video. Now that's it, the threats guys from my perspective. Number one, the D artist. Number two, becoming overconfident. Always keeping in the India will have to keep in mind that those magical performances won't come each and every time. And the third is Joe Root. So these were, according to me, the threats for the Indian team. Hopefully guys you loved our video. Please hit that like button, subscribe to our channel as always, share it with your cricketing mates as well. And in these pandemic times, please do guys stay safe, stay healthy, and stay tuned for our next video. Thank you guys.